Coming up in today's video.
Different, y'all. Don't play with me. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Okay. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Mulan Lee channel, and as you read that title today, girl, we are prepping for my birthday. Today is Monday the 13th. I have a hair appointment today at 10 o'clock, and then I have a nail appointment today at 4:30. So that's where we're going today. But before we get into this video, y'all already know what to do. Subscribe to my YouTube channel like right now. Go do that right now. But if you are already subscribed, welcome back, Mulan gang. I'm sorry, I'm rambling, and I ain't need to tell y'all Happy New Year. This y'all first time seeing me in 2023. Everyone, Happy New Year. Okay, so I already washed and blow dried my hair out, so that part is done. I put my lashes on so I can be looking like a baddie after the hair appointment. So right now, we about to slip on our appointment outfit, and we need to get some breakfast because we gonna be hungry, okay? So let's get into it. So this is my appointment outfit. Just a plain two-piece set. It's actually raining currently, so I'm just gonna throw on these rain boots and my pink raincoat. Okay, it's now 3:37, and I'm currently about to go to my nail appointment, which is at 4:30. So yeah, see y'all there. So the last footage you guys seen was me getting my nails done. This is how they turned out. I'm gonna insert an inspiration picture that they were supposed to look like, and then these are how they look. Today is the big day, which is the photo shoot. I don't know if I told you guys, but today I am shooting. I am doing a Chinese theme, Mulan Lee, period. I'm about to tighten my hair up because I'm crunching on time. I gotta make it to my makeup appointment at 2:30. It's like 1:30 now. So I had like the bun going on. I'm gonna insert the clip from my hairstylist. Y'all know when my hair was done. Oh, I gotta try to fix it back myself because I don't have anybody else, so who else gonna do it? So come on, let's get this hair together and let's get ready for this makeup appointment. Okay, this is how I'm looking before makeup, period. I tried my best with the chopsticks. I might change how they are, but this is the look.
Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. stop playing games, playing games. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my, so won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me.
Okay, period.
If you are in the 757, book Lay. She is the best. She is really good at what she does, and she is very passionate about what she do. Make sure y'all book her for real, for real. Okay, I'm currently on my way to the studio to shoot. It's 4:32. My photo shoot is scheduled for 5 o'clock, so we about to be there. So I'm gonna give y'all some behind the scenes. This is me in the lobby. I was pretty nervous. This is my first official photo shoot. So
Can you do something for me? Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? 21, do your thing. 21, do your thing. Do your thing, 21.
Yellow diamonds in the watch. This shit costs a lot. Never send a die. That's how you get shot.
Guys, today is Saturday, March 25th. I'm celebrating my birthday festivities today. So I have I'm crunching on time actually, but I'm about to do my makeup for my dinner, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing for my dinner. I am going to Aberdeen Barn, and then after I have a section at the corner, so we got to get this show on the road. Come on. This is how my makeup turned out, and this is the outfit.
this is absolutely the only footage I got from my section and the look from my section. Sorry, guys.
Hi, y'all. I know this vlog has been all over the place, and I'm sorry. I'm gonna give y'all the rundown. Y'all know that. But today is my actual birthday, which is March 28th. It's Tuesday. Yes, I am celebrating on my birthday also. I didn't get so much footage of my dinner and then my section on Saturday, so I'm gonna post what I do got on the screen and port some clips, pictures, all that. I'm gonna give y'all kind of something to work with. But I came back on my actual birthday to show y'all the gifts that I received so far. I feel love. Thank you everyone that contributed and participated in my birthday. I love y'all all. Y'all know that. And I love y'all that's watching and supporting also. Let's get to these gifts. What I have here first is some dunks. Yeah, they from Gold. I got the Panda dunks. I've been wanting these for a minute. So yeah, they definitely is going to be essential to my pieces. Period. Next up, I have some more dunks. Okay, these ones, I'm not sure what they call. I'm gonna have to find out what they call, but look, they something different, y'all. Don't play with them. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Okay, so I gotta find some stuff to go with them, because that's real different. Next up, I have another tote. Y'all know I love the nude, so period. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, okay? We're gonna wear her. We're gonna wear her. We're gonna style her pretty soon. Okay, then I got this sexy perfume. Yeah. Let's see. This is how the bottle looks. Period. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Them legs up. Y'all know what that's for. Don't play with it. Okay, and it smells really good. I can smell it now. Like, I ain't even have to spray it. It smells really good. So got some sexy. Then I got some Good Girl perfume as well. I love adding to my collection. This is the one from the Hill on TikTok. Period. And I'm gonna wear her tonight, okay? Cause even though we're not gonna be a good girl, it's just, and I'm gonna try to get some footage from tonight. Okay. Okay. And that's it for those gifts, but it did come in this with 2 balloons. Happy birthday, period. All right. Then my mommy got me this shirt from Shein. It's a little shirt, you know, nothing too major. I like that shirt. I'm gonna style that shirt. And then she got me a little two-piece set. She said she wanted me to wear this today, but baby, I already got an outfit for today. It's cute though. So thank you, mommy, and thank you everybody else. If I do get some more stuff out inserted into the vlog, right now it's only like 1 o'clock. I dropped my pictures from my photo shoot, everything. Yeah. So now I'm about to show y'all what I'm trying to wear today. That's what I'm wearing. I'm not sure what top I'm gonna put under. Most likely just like a tank top or maybe a bra. I don't know. I wanted to wear it just like it is, open, but everybody keeps saying I need a shirt. So I'm gonna give it a shirt. Ooh. Okay, so just a Letterman jacket. It has lots of details and stuff up there, lots of colors, period. So we're wearing her tonight. Then the accessory color will be gold. Y'all gonna see because I'm gonna give y'all the finishing look as well. And I'm gonna take some pictures. And I have this black mini skirt, plaited mini skirt to go with that. And it's the gold jewelry. I'm gonna compliment them with these shades because y'all know I'm not sure what bag I'm gonna put with it, but these shades, these are some old shades. These are not new. From Shein. Y'all know I always get my shades from Shein. So the shades, and then here is the shoe for the night. I got these black heel boots, leather, pleather, whatever you want to call them. From Amazon. Nothing major. So we will see how it look when I pull it together and I do my makeup for later on. But I just had to come back and give y'all the tea. So see y'all later. This is the finishing look. All right, and then I'm going to put on my good girl scent for tonight. I'm gonna show y'all the outfit with the boots.